Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about a ping. The area is warded ping. So you probably have seen it in some of your games where your allies have issued a ping and it's not in this box. So enemy missing, danger, on my way, assist me. So you have to change your settings to be able to issue that ping. So if we go to settings and then here in the hotkeys area, you go down to communication, and then it will be here area is warded ping. So let's say I'll put S to issue that ping, and right here you can see that the ping, how it works. So it shows in the minimap, and there is an eye showing that the enemy can see, for example, this tribush. So I hope that this tutorial was useful. You can set a different hotkey as well, but this way the communication with your team will be easier. I hope that this was useful, and see you guys in the next tutorial.